Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to do the next part of speech. The name of the next part of speech is pronoun. A word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, Michael is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. So instead of Michael, we have written he. So here he is a pronoun which is used instead of Michael. Types of pronoun. There are so many types of pronouns, but we are going to start with possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun indicates possession, which shows something possession, someone's possession. For example, the cat is yours. Here, the cat is yours. Yours means someone is having the possession of the cat. So, the cat is yours means this is something possessive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun used to indicate something. For example, this, that, those. So this is the one I left in the car. So here this is a demonstrative, that demonstrates the things. So this is the one I left in the car. Indefinite pronoun, as you can see, indefinite pronouns used for non-specific things. Non-specific things which are generalized, which are not specific. For example, we use all, some, any, several. For example, somebody must have seen the driver. So here somebody is actually an indefinite pronoun. Personal pronoun. Simple substitute for the proper name. As you can see the example, Ali is a boy, Ali lives in Lahore. The repetition of Ali is here. So instead of writing Ali again and again, we are here the personal pronoun he. So Ali is a boy, he lives in Lahore. So this is what we call a personal pronoun, substitute of a proper name. Interrogative pronoun used in questions. For example, who, which, where, how. Who told you to do? Here who is actually a interrogative pronoun. Which interrogative pronoun. Which dog won the race? Relative pronoun. It is used to refer the nouns mentioned previously. Means the sentence the sentence is written somewhere, and in this sentence we have to mention to whom we are talking and about whom we are talking. For example, the cyclist who rides a cycle, who won the race, trained hard. Who is actually talking about cyclist, and what he did, he trained hard. Reflexive pronoun, and with selves, reflection. It's from reflection. For example, the dog bit itself. So itself is here the example of reflexive pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns used for action or feelings that are reciprocated. For example, reciprocal, another and each other. They are what we call reciprocal pronouns. They like one another. Here another is a reciprocal pronoun, and they talk to each other. Here each other is also a reciprocal pronoun. Emphatic pronoun used to emphasize. Somewhere we have the idea that they are also used as a reflexive pronouns. John bakes all the bread himself. For himself is talking about whom? Himself. Who himself? John. So John and himself have a relation that emphasizes, himself emphasizes also on John. So John bakes all the bread. Here himself is showing that emphatic pronoun. Himself is actually an emphatic pronoun. Thank you.